Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to XIAOMI Redmi A1. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use this app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then, in this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to and close it by selecting OK. Finally, you can choose Send on OPPO at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and Receive over here on XIAOMI. Then you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and click Send next to selected, or just tap on files that you wish to send like that and tap on Send as well. Then select Got it in the pop-up. On XIAOMI, you need to choose one of those options, click on Close this window and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing your XIAOMI's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and hit Receive button. Now, after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!